Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Marketing Management. This is module number 2, video number 15. This would be the last video for your second module. Here, in previous class, we have seen the fundamental requirements of a green marketing. Today, we shall see the challenges of green marketing. We can call challenges or problems or hurdles of green marketing. One 5 marks question may come for your examination saying explain the challenges of green marketing. So, we shall see here 6 points of challenges of green marketing. The first point of challenge for green marketing is green products require renewable and recyclable material which is costly. Whenever if you see the natural products, if you try to purchase, they are costly. For example, jaggery, in Marathi we call it as good. If you take the normal jaggery, it is little less price, but the same jaggery if you take organic one, it will be more costly, because the ingredients which are required for that, it may cost a bit high, and the prices also will be very high because it would be pure one, whereas the normal one will be a mixture of a little bit sugar and other things in that. So, green products require renewable and recyclable materials. The renewable and recyclable materials, so that it should not disturb the ecological balance or it should not disturb the nature. So, this makes the product or green marketing a bit costlier. Then the second challenge of green marketing is problem of deceptive advertisings and false claims. Many times there are many people who are, say, making deceptive advertisings and false claims. Just an example, 4 हफ्तों में गोरापन is what one cream says, but even if you use for months together, your gorapan will not come. So, the ads which have been made, they are, say, deceptive and claiming some false statements. Many times naturally means we think that it will say we will not get any disease, etc., etc. things. So, but it is a deceptive advertisement about it. Then the next challenge of green marketing is requires a technology which requires huge investment in research and development. Green marketing is very emerging trend in today's scenario, but for that we require a huge investment for research and developments, because as and when the scenario is changing, research should happen on those works. That's why you can see the present scenario of COVID pandemic, as and when the patients are increasing, people are trying to get or trying to find the natural remedies for this. Some immune boosting kadas and all, or immune boosting Ayurvedic, or the natural products have been used. So, as and when this changing trends come, we should do research and development on green marketing. So, it is very costly for the businessmen. The next fourth point of challenge for green marketing is majority of people are not aware of green products and their uses. In present scenario, if you see, most of the people are not aware about the natural, organic and green products, because they have been using some or the other product from so many ancestors, and that is what the trend is being continued. For example, if you see many from many years ago, some family is using Lifebuoy soap, so they are using the same soap till today. They are not aware of the say green products what they are using. So, and the uses of the green products also they don't know. So that's why they are not turning towards the green products. Then fifth challenge of green marketing is majority of the consumers are not willing to pay a premium for green products. Today if you see, many people they do want to give additional amount or extra money for pure and natural products, but actually the clean, clear and green products or natural products will help us to maintain our health. But here people have an mentality that when we are getting the normal product at less price, why to pay more for the say green product or natural product. So it is the uh, lack of willingness of the people to pay a bit of extra or premium amount for the green products. Then lastly, the last challenge of green marketing is educating customers about the advantages of green marketing. Today if you go and try to explain the advantages of green marketing or the uses of green marketing to a layman, he will have a lot of questions in his mind. So educating such people is a big challenge for green marketing, because in a country like India, wherein people get sometimes get convinced very easily and sometimes they may take a lot of time to be convinced. So educating this or educating customers about the advantages of green marketing is very much essential. So these are the some of the challenges of green marketing. If you have any questions, queries, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. This is the last video from second module. If you have any contact, please if you have any doubts or if you have any questions, queries, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. These challenges are of a green marketing, and a 5 marks question will be coming for your examination. With this we shall stop here. Thank you. Good day.